It's Christmas Eve. Woo! Oh man, I have a busy day. Heidi is at the gym. I'm having my morning coffee. And so, my mom is coming over at 12. We are gonna open pre-gifts. I know, some people are weird about that, but we're gonna open some of the gifts today to lighten up the load for tomorrow. Because if Christmas Eve is busy, Christmas Day is gonna be even busier. So that's the game plan. At 2:30, I have a little speaking engagement, so that should be fun. And then go to Heidi's parents, maybe church. So I have to be efficient with my time today. It'll be interesting. Weather update. I have not yet been outside. That's what it looks like. Cold. What's the temp? Hold on, let me look it up. -1, real feel is -23. That's cold. That's literally freezing cold. So I did a update. I noticed that the GoPro, I normally don't have it linked to the app, but I Googled it. I'm like, why does my GoPro suck so bad? They said to get on the app, and I had to link it and do all that stuff. And it said it needed an update, so I updated it, and so far so good. It seems all right. I'll go outside with it, see what happens. Let's go outside together. You guys can stay warm because you're probably inside where it's smart to be. I will go outside for you. Hold on. That's cold. Wind must have blew the garage door open. Probably should have taken that off. I bet it's frozen. Oh no, the screen. My screen. Oh no. Oh, better take that inside. That's a bummer. Hopefully it's not broken. Up the stairs. Total bummer, bro. So, it's windy. It's still windy out. Oh. So far so good on the GoPro though. It's still running. Normally it shuts off about every 7 or 8 seconds. Just shuts off randomly. So, well, Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. Just wanted to hop on here real quick. Whew, that's much better. Stay warm. Enjoy your time with your family. All that Hallmark kind of stuff. My Rails to Trails sweatshirt on. So, that's cool, huh? Bike parts. With my last name. My hair's getting a little cray-cray. Nothing special today. Excited for the new year. Hoping to plan some cool bike trips. Might do the Katy Trail, I'm not sure. Little Miami. I don't know. I'm feeling it though. I'm ready to go for a multi-day bike trip. Especially when you can't. I guess I could. It'd be cold. Alright, well, we'll see you on the next one. Toodles.